I was wandering aimlessly around my living room one day when I noticed that these plants that my wife had bought for the house were just getting a little bit big for their pots. So I decided to go over to the Goodwill to see if I can get some cheap pots. Now they had lots of costumes, but they didn't really have any pots, so I went over to the dollar store and they didn't have anything either. But when I went to the grocery outlet, sure enough I found some. They weren't cheap, but they were perfect for what I had in mind. So let's get planning. Here we have the Dracaena Marginata. I'm probably murdering that name, but there we go. We're starting off with some clay pellets to go down in the bottom of it. That'll definitely keep some of that moisture around in case we forget to water. Then we start off with a little bit of potting soil down at the bottom. Nice and easy. Just let that stuff flow through your fingers. It's like butter. We're going to keep testing the depth of this thing because I'm going to do a special planting today. One that I saw on the internet. So, we're all learning together here. So we're going to put a little bit more potting soil down in the bottom, and then we're going to set the plant inside, and we're going to fill in around the outside of the plant. So that way we got nice aerated soil right where the plant's going to be. And as we fill in the sides, we're going to try not to make anything compact. We want to make sure that soil is nice and aerated. And then as we get towards the end, we can see that it's all the way up to the top. We're just going to go ahead and reach in and grab that pot, pull it out. And we look inside and we see that nice big hole. It's the exact same size as the pot that we had, except now we got lots of room for those roots to grow. So we stick the plant in. We give it a nice drink of water, and then it's ready to go on inside. Hey, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to hit that big old thumbs up button.